Dear students, in this video lecture I am going to explain input quantization error or input quantization noise. This quantization error arises because of the sampling of a continuous time signal that is applied at the input at the time of digitization. So this quantization error mathematically expressed as the difference between the sampled quantized value to the sampled unquantized value. And this error, which is a noise, have different type of noise distribution depending on which method we have applied for the quantization. Now we have two methods, rounding and truncation. So in case of rounding, the sampled value may be greater than or maybe less than the sampled unquantized value. So it will be uniformly, this noise will be uniformly distributed in the range of -q/2 to q/2. And now there is an example given in the notes that with the help of this example you can better understand that any signal value, when is converted into binary and approximated by rounding, you will get the decimal counterpart of this rounded value will be greater than the actual value. So in this particular case the error is this one. So how you get the distribution from -q/2 to q/2 for rounding? Now this thing is better explained by this particular figure where we have shown the different quantization levels and the difference is the quantization step. If any value will lie in the will lie more than half from the lower level or less than half of the upper level, then that signal will be approximated to this particular level, that is assigned as 1 here. So suppose any sample value that is less than 1.5 is approximated as 1. So in this case error will be -0.5, and any value which is greater than 0.5 will also assign a level 1. So in this case it will be 0.5. So this 0.5 is half of the quantization step size, which is 1 in this particular case. So with this example it is clear that in the case of rounding the error lies between -q/2 to q/2, whereas in the case of truncation you will not you will always have the quantized signal lesser than the actual value. For example, in this case this value is 1.99. okay, this is near to this upper level 2, but because of truncation we will truncate the less significant bit smaller than the least significant bit. So this value will be approximated to the level 1. So in this particular case the error will either be 0 or -q. As you can see here, xqn is quantized value is 1 and unquantized value is 1.99, so the difference is -0.99. So this is the distribution of truncation noise, and this is a distribution of the rounding noise. Now the same thing is well illustrated by these two figures. If the input sampled signal is less than q/2, half of the step size, and it is approximated to 0, but if it is greater than q/2 or less than 3q/2, it will be approximated up to the next level q. And similarly you will see that in case of truncation up to q we will assume the 0 level, but after q between q to 2q we will assume the level q. and the distribution is a uniform distribution in the case of rounding, lie between minus q by 2 to q by 2, or uniform distribution is 1 upon the overall range, which is q here. So means any value can be up, and the noise can have any value in between this range, and whereas in the case of truncation the noise can have any value from minus q to 0. Thank you.